Tired of missing out on those explosive memecoin pumps? Let's supercharge your sniping game with Nova Bot and Photon. First, head over to the Photon website and connect your wallet. Make sure it's a dedicated trading wallet for security. Next, fire up Nova Bot in your Telegram. You'll need to grab your RPC URL from Photon. It's usually found in your Photon settings. Copy that RPC URL and paste it into Nova Bot when it asks for it. This connects Nova Bot to Photon's lightning-fast infrastructure. Now, configure Nova Bot. Set your gas price, slippage, and the amount of ETH you want to use for the snipe. Start with a small amount to test. Find the contract address of the memecoin you want to snipe. Double-check it's the correct address from a reputable source like Dextools or Birdeye. Use the Snipe command in Nova Bot followed by the contract address. Nova Bot will monitor the contract and execute your buy order as soon as liquidity is added. Keep an eye on Photon to confirm your transaction goes through quickly. Remember, memecoin sniping is risky, so always do your research and manage your risk. Good luck, and happy sniping.